Travis Scott pulled 94,000 fans to his concert at Johannesburg's FNB Stadium. If you are new here, hit subscribe and let's dive into this record-breaking event. Travis Scott's Circus Maximus World Tour has been a global phenomenon, breaking records for attendance and gross revenue. The tour, which began earlier in 2025, has seen massive crowds at various international locations. His return to South Africa after 6 years, performing at the 94,000 capacity FNB Stadium, was highly anticipated, especially as part of the Castle Light Unlocks series. On the 11th of October 2025, Travis Scott performed to a sold-out crowd of 94,000 at FNB Stadium in Johannesburg. The concert was a statement to his global appeal and the excitement of South African fans. The event was part of his extended Circus Maximus World Tour, and it was noted for its scale, with high attendance figures and enthusiastic responses. The performance included hits from his discography, creating an electric atmosphere. The concert generated excitement on social media, with reactions highlighting the scale of the event, the energy of the performance, and the significance of Travis Scott's return to South Africa. Fans from across the region gathered, making it a cultural milestone. The event was described as a massive success, with media outlets and attendees alike celebrating the night. Travis Scott drawing 94,000 fans to the FNB Stadium is a significant moment for South African music culture and the economy. Such events boost local tourism, create jobs, and foster cultural exchange. The concert scale reflects Travis Scott's global influence and the appetite for international music in South Africa. The conversation is overwhelmingly positive, with some fans discussing the impact on local artists, while others are celebrating the economic benefits. It's a reminder that while entertainment is key, these events also have tangible effects on communities. The FNB Stadium, known for hosting large events, was a fitting venue for this gathering, and the concert's success highlights the potential for more international collaborations. It's a moment of celebration for all of us, where every concert contributes to a richer understanding of our global and local identities. Travis Scott gathering 94,000 fans to his Circus Maximus concert at the FNB Stadium on the 11th of October 2025 is a call for us to celebrate music's power to unite and reflect on its impact on our culture and economy. It's a reminder that these events are more than just performances. They are moments of connection. What do you think? How can our economy benefit from such events? Drop your thoughts below. If you enjoyed this video, like, share and subscribe for more on South African music and cultural milestones.